Good morning, everybody. It's Mary. Thanks for coming by my kitchen. I'm doing a lower carb way of eating right now. I don't want to call it a diet because it needs to be a lifestyle instead of a diet. A diet you want to cheat on. A lifestyle, you know that it's good for you and it has all kinds of benefits. Okay. But one thing I really miss is bread. And I am not paying $6 a loaf for keto bread. It's ridiculous to me. So I'm going to make a 90-second keto bread this morning in my microwave. Okay, I've got a tablespoon of butter. I'm going to go and I'm going to melt this in the microwave. Okay, this is pretty well melted, so I'm going to swirl it around. Then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. I have almond flour, I have baking powder, and I have just a pinch of sea salt. Okay. And I also have 1 egg. Okay. Now we're going to mix that up really well. Do you folks mix things with eggs in it with a spoon or a fork? I usually grab a fork. Let me know what you do in the comments. Just gonna mix this really good. Make sure you get the egg mixed up and the lumps out. And that baking powder evenly distributed throughout the whole bread. Okay. Now I'm going to put this in the microwave. The instructions say for 90 seconds. Here we go. Okay, that's a little bit warm. You guys may want to grab a towel or pot holders. I didn't, and I'm lucky I didn't drop it. Okay, as you can see, this springs back like a bread is supposed to. It's not gooey. So it actually does work for 90 seconds. Okay, and loosen that up around the edges. Okay, I'm going to let that sit probably for 4 or 5 minutes and let it cool off. That way it's not going to tear teetotally to pieces whenever I cut it in half, and I'll show you what it looks like whenever we cut it in half. Okay, this is cooled off, so I'm going to slice it in half. Okay, so it still looks really good. Okay, guys, I'm going to just taste it like this right here before I toast it or anything else. That way I can give you an honest opinion without anything else added. Honestly, that's really, really, really good. I really like this. I cannot believe I've seen this recipe off and on for forever and I haven't made it. It's so fast, so easy, and something that I am definitely going to be making again and again. So I really appreciate you watching. Like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, folks, and I'll see you on that next video.